mustard, bell pepper, tomato vermicelli pasta, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the dinner recipes for weight loss, and one of the most different of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most different of the vermicelli recipes. Today we are going to make mustard bell pepper vermicelli pasta or mustard bell pepper tomato vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are 1 yellow bell pepper or capsicum cut into pieces, put in salt to taste, put in a spoon of mustard paste, thoroughly mix and marinate the bell pepper for 30 minutes. The next ingredients are 1 onion, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and 100 grams of roasted vermicelli pasta, 3 green chilies, and 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in a ml of oil. Once the oil gets heated, spread the oil in the pan. Put in the salt, now put in the ginger, salt, Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the marinated bell pepper, which we marinated in mustard earlier. Mix thoroughly. We have taken yellow bell pepper here. You can take whichever bell pepper which you feel. Now pour in 150 ml of water, 150 to 200 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in the 3 green chilies after cooking for the required time. put in the roasted vermicelli. In case it's not roasted, we have to roast it in a different pan for 2 to 3 minutes and put it in. Now mix and let this mixture cook for 10 more minutes. Now the mustard, bell pepper, tomato, vermicelli pasta is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mustard, bell pepper, tomato, vermicelli pasta, or mustard, bell pepper, tomato, vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes, and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes, and one of the most delicious of the bell pepper recipes, and one of the most unique of the capsicum recipes, and one of the most different of the tomato recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the dinner recipes for weight loss. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.